The smallpox vaccine was the first vaccine that was ever developed in the late 1700s. And since then, the manufacturing has changed quite a bit. But the actual virus that's used to elicit immunity against the smallpox virus has not. And that's because the smallpox virus falls under a family of viruses known as the orthopox family of viruses. Now, a different virus within that family, known as the vaccinia virus, is what's used to elicit immunity against the smallpox virus with this vaccine. Now, in the previous decades of the Smallpox Eradication Program, the vaccine Dryvax was used. Now, its manufacturing process was quite a bit different than what we're used to today, as the vaccinia virus was actually grown on small cows or calves. It was then scraped off, purified, dried, and then reconstituted before it could be administered to individuals as a vaccine. But now, the vaccine ACAM2000 is what is standard for the smallpox vaccine. And this is produced by Sanofi using standard modern cell culture technology. So we can amplify this virus in the lab in order to develop the vaccine. But what's a bit different with this vaccine is that this is a live replicating vaccinia virus, and it's administered a bit different. Instead of a traditional shot, an individual is scraped with a bifurcated needle. Now that occurs on the upper part of the arm, and it's known as intradermally. So a small amount of the vaccine is dipped onto the bifurcated needle. It's twisted onto the arm in order to go under the skin where the virus can then begin replicating. After about a week, it causes a small lesion or a bump, and then that bump will last around 3 to 4 weeks, where it will then fall off and an individual then has immunity against the smallpox virus. Now, what's really interesting about this vaccine is that because it uses the bifurcated needle, it actually is able to have more than 100 doses in just one vial of the vaccine. Reasons why this vaccine was used as part of the Smallpox Eradication Program in order to vaccinate individuals all across the world in such a short period of time.